Hello, I am Dr. Vera Rose and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that is fundamental to our well-being, the incredible power of superfoods. You've likely heard this term before, but what does it really mean? Superfoods aren't a marketing gimmick. They are foods, primarily plant-based, that are so nutritionally dense they offer significant health benefits. They are nature's way of providing us with a concentrated source of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other compounds that can help prevent chronic diseases, boost our energy levels, and enhance our overall vitality. The evidence is clear. Incorporating these potent plants into our diet is one of the most effective strategies for a long and healthy life. In this video, we're going to explore what I consider to be 13 of the most amazing super plants on the planet. I've spent countless hours reviewing the scientific literature to bring you the most compelling, evidence-based information. We won't just list them, we'll dissect the specific benefits of each one, from fighting inflammation and boosting brain power to balancing hormones and strengthening our immune system. I'll also provide practical, everyday tips on how you can easily incorporate them into your meals, whether it's a morning smoothie, a hearty lunch, or a comforting evening tea. Our journey today will take us from the vibrant yellow of turmeric to the deep green of kale and the rich blue of blueberries. Each chapter will be a dedicated look at one of these nutritional powerhouses. My goal is to empower you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your health, transforming your kitchen into your own personal pharmacy. So get ready to take some notes as we unlock the secrets of these 13 remarkable super plants and learn how they can help you thrive. Let's begin. First up is turmeric, the golden spice. The science points to its active compound, curcumin, as a potent anti-inflammatory, potentially as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs without the side effects. Next, we have ginger, a root celebrated for centuries. Studies show it aids digestion and soothes nausea. It's my go-to for an upset stomach or post-meal comfort. Number 3 is the humble garlic. Don't underestimate its power. Allinase, an enzyme released when crushed, helps create compounds that have been shown to significantly boost immune function. Have you heard of Moringa, the miracle tree? Gram for gram, its leaves contain more vitamin C than oranges and more potassium than bananas. It's a true nutritional powerhouse. Let's talk about spirulina. This blue-green algae is a fantastic source of plant-based protein and is loaded with phycocyanin, a potent antioxidant that fights free radical damage. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they are giants of nutrition. They are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for brain health, and swell with liquid to create a filling fiber gel. Quinoa is often mistaken for a grain, but actually it's a seed. It's one of the few plant foods that contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. These small red berries are a delight. Goji berries have been used in traditional Chinese medicine for millennia, prized for their high concentration of antioxidants, particularly zeaxanthin, which supports eye health. Hailing from the Andes Mountains, maca root is an adaptogen known for its potential to enhance energy, stamina, and libido without the jitteriness of caffeine, according to preliminary studies. Matcha is more than just a trendy latte. Because you actually consume the whole tea leaf as a fine powder, you get a much higher concentration of antioxidants, especially EGCG, than you would from standard green tea. Kale certainly lives up to its reputation. It's honestly one of the most nutrient-dense foods available, loaded with vitamins A, K, and C, and compounds that support the body's natural detoxification processes. Finally, we have blueberries. These are packed with anthocyanins, the antioxidants responsible for their blue color, which studies have linked directly to improved cognitive function and memory protection. Our final plant is Ashwagandha, a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine. As an adaptogen, evidence suggests it helps the body manage stress by modulating cortisol levels for a calmer state. And there you have it, 13 incredible super plants, each with a mountain of evidence supporting its benefits for our health. We've journeyed from anti-inflammatory spices to brain-boosting berries and stress-reducing herbs. The key takeaway is that small, consistent changes to what we eat can lead to profound, long-term health improvements. I encourage you to start small. Pick one or two of these plants that resonated with you and find a simple way to add them to your daily routine this week. Maybe it's adding chia seeds to your yogurt or swapping your afternoon coffee for a calming cup of matcha. The power to transform your health is quite literally on your plate. However, it's crucial to remember that while these plants are powerful, they are part of a larger picture of a healthy lifestyle. This information is for educational purposes and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have any underlying health conditions, are pregnant, or are taking medication, please consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet. They can help you personalize these recommendations to fit your unique health needs and ensure that what you're doing is both safe and effective for you. Your health is a team effort, and your healthcare provider is a key player on that team. Thank you so much for investing your time with me today to learn about the power of plant-based nutrition. I truly hope you found this information valuable and feel inspired to take the next step on your health journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more evidence-based content like this, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future videos. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Which super plant are you most excited to try? Until next time, stay healthy and be well.